स्टूडेंट्स, आपने कई बार सोचा होगा कि हम कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स तो देखते हैं, बट वी डोंट नो हु इज द आर्टिस्ट बिहाइंड. Let us understand the artist also in this presentation and understand who were the famous artists who has made the character and they got very famous in the industry. We should get this knowledge and we should also appreciate their work which they have done for us. Let us understand the first artist here. First artist is Charles M. Schulz, and he has designed this character which is very famous, and you can see the boy with the dog. इसका नाम जो है शुल्स है. शुल्स इज द कैरेक्टर नेम एंड इट इज डिजाइन बाय चार्ल्स एम शुल्स. तो उन्होंने अपने नाम पर ही उस कैरेक्टर को बनाया है. और आप देख सकते हैं द मैन हिमसेल्फ ओवर हियर, ही इज स्केचिंग द कैरेक्टर एंड यू कैन सी द कैरेक्टर इन फ्रंट. नाउ दिस कैरेक्टर वाज डेवलप्ड बाय हिम, and his bio also we will get to know about the man also in here. He was born in November 26, 1992 in Minneapolis and Minnesota, and Schultz served in the US Army. So he was serving in the US Army during the World War II, and afterwards he studied art, correspondence, and worked as a freelance cartoonist. In 1950, he launched the comic strip Peanuts, which introduced the character like Charlie Brown, Snoopy. Strip became one of the most influential in the world. Schulz continued to draw for nearly 50 years. बच्चों 50 years तक उसने draw किया और उन्होंने अपना नाम कमाया. The death was on February 12th and 2000. The famous character was Charlie Brown, Snoopy from the Peanut. So this is the Snoopy from the Peanut over here. You can see this is the very very famous character by Charles M. Schulz. Now let us understand more यहाँ पे. और भी हम आर्टिस्ट के बारे में सुनेंगे. आपने इसके बारे में तो ज़रूर सुनोगा, टिंटिन का नाम तो ज़रूर सुनोगा. ये बड़ा फेमस कार्टून कैरेक्टर रहा है फॉर एवरीबडी हु इज़ लविंग ऑफ द एडवेंचर. एडवेंचरस लोगों के लिए बहुत फेमस कैरेक्टर रहा है. इसको डिज़ाइन किया है हर्ज जॉर्ज रेमी ने. हर्ज जॉर्ज वॉज बॉर्न इन May 2022 and in 1970 in Brussels in Belgium. Created the landmark Franco-Belgium comic series The Adventure of Tintin. It is very famous comic strip. हम लोग ने भी पढ़ी है, मैंने भी अपने बचपन में ये कॉमिक स्ट्रिप पढ़ी है. पर मुझे आज पता चला कि हर्ज वॉज बिहाइंड दिस कार्टून कैरेक्टर. हिज क्लियर लाइन एंड आर्ट स्टाइल, लेनी क्लियर एंड sophisticated adventure storytelling made his work hugely popular across the Europe and beyond. He died in March 3rd in 1983. The famous character is Tintin and companion Snowy. तो टिंटिन और उसका जो कंपेनियन डॉग था उसका नाम स्नोई था. That was his character, and you can see the clear lines, you can see the vibrant colors over here, which was used by the Hurge. Let us understand more here. Now we will understand one more Osamu Osamu Tezuka, who's known for his manga art, and he's also known as the father of manga art. Like he's the godfather of manga art who has started manga art, and that is the character that he has designed, Astro Boy. Now we will also know about his biology as well. Like he's born in November 3rd in 1928 in Tokyo, Naka, Japan. And Tezuka earned a medical degree at Osaka University in 1951, but soon turned full-time and manga and animation artist. He is often called as the god of manga for pioneering many narrative and visual conversion of the Japanese comics and anime. His work like Astro Boy, Tezuka Atom influenced generations of the artists, and he died on February 8th in 1989. Famous character was Astro Boy. Then there is one more artist that we get to know about here, Bill Watterson. Now, Bill Watterson has made characters in black and white, and black and white character became in trend by the Bill Watson only. So you can say that black and white character was developed by him, and it became very famous. Now, we'll also know about Will over here. He was born on 5th, 1958 in Washington, D.C. Weston grew up in Calgary Falls, Ohio. He created beloved comic strip Calvin and Hobbies in 1958 about his mischievous boy Calvin and his stuffed tiger friend Hobbies, who come to life in his imagination. Walterson refused to commercialize his character heavily and ended up strip in December in 31. in 1995. Famous character was Kelvin and Hobbies. There is one more character drawing which is very famous over here, Garfield. हमने इसके कार्टून कैरेक्टर देखे हैं, हमने इसके बहुत से स्टफ टॉयज भी देखे हैं, आपने देखे ही होंगे साथ में. बट द आर्टिस्ट बिहाइंड दी स्टफ टॉय इज Jim Davis. Now, Jim Davis has developed this character, and we'll also know about him over here. He was born in 1945 in Mariano, in Indiana. Davis worked in advertising as an assistant cartoonist before creating the comic strip Garfield in 1978. Garfield, his lazy, lasagna loving cat, became one of the most widely syndicated strips of the worldwide. Famous character is Garfield over here. Now, that is what this presentation is all about. I hope that you have enjoyed the presentation, and I hope that you've got the information as well. For more information, for more informative like this, we will be back with more videos. Stay tuned on our channel and keep working hard and keep making us proud.